I almost forgot. Before we go any further, what would be the smart thing to do? Yep, you got it. We need to name our project, and we need to make sure it's saved. If you remember from a few videos back, I told you that this area right here in the top left corner was called the project header. Go ahead and click on the gear up here. Where it says name, you can click here and add your name. I'm going to call mine Animated Flower. You can name yours Growing Flower or Growing Flower Animation or whatever you want. I'm calling mine Animated Flower. Now, as for saving it goes, if you look in the top menu bar here, you'll see you have this kind of cloud with the up arrow. Mine is green, and if I hover over it, it says all changes are saved. This is a wonderful thing. It means that Animatron is automatically saving my project, and as long as this is green, I should be good to go. Sometimes it'll be yellow, which means it's in the process of saving, but just make sure that yours is green. So now that you have renamed and saved your project, we can go and add the animated petals.